Yo, what is up guys, TiimeDesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys the top 5 best modded crew colors you guys can put in your vehicles right now. Now if you do enjoy today's video, make sure to go ahead and consider subscribing. I do post daily GTA 5 content such as weekly money methods, GTA 5 glitches, and modded outfits, so consider subscribing if you haven't already. And also while you're at it, can you go ahead and drop a like so more people can see the video and support out the channel. And now, let's consider the video. Now before the video does start, if you don't know how to change your crew color in GTA 5 Online, all you want to do is head over to the description down below. I have a video linked already on how to change your crew color, so go ahead and watch that video real quick and then come back to this one once you know how to change your crew color in GTA 5 Online. And now let's get into the video. Now the first modded crew color on today's list is going to be the Vivid Pink. Now keep in mind, this is not the modded crew color shown in today's video. This is not it. If you do want to know how to get this red one, I've already made a video. Just go on my channel and watch the last modded crew color video, and that's how you get this red one right here. But the one I'm be showing in today's video is going to be this one right here, and it's called Vivid Pink, and that is the hex code you see up on the screen. So if you want to go and get this modded crew color, all you got to do is copy the hex code you see up on the screen, which is the FF03AB. Copy that into your crew, and that's pretty much it. And if you don't know how to change it, you just skip through the video. I had a timestamp on the video, you can go back to it where it shows you how to change your modded crew color, so just go watch that part and then come back to this part and how to get it. Alright, now if you do want to make a chrome effect, you can put the chromes first and then put the crew second, and you get this 3D pink type of modded crew color to us. Yeah, but I'm gonna be keeping it normal for today's video, and this is how it looks like right here, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a bit of it. So yeah. So yeah, this here is the Vivid Pink right here, and now let's go ahead and check out the next modded crew color on the list. Now the next modded crew color on today's list is going to be the ElectricViolet. Alright, now if you want to know how to get the ElectricViolet, as I said, all you want to do is go and copy the hex code you see up on the screen and put it into your crew, and that's pretty much it. And this is how it looks like right here. Okay, now you can make the crew color look a lot more better by adding pearlescence to it. So this is how it looks like regularly without like no pearlescence or anything. So this is it right here. And if you want to go and add a pearlescence, you can go and add one in. As you can see, it changes the car like a bit more better, and this stands out more. Now for me, I'm gonna go and put the ice white on this one because it just makes it pop out more, and also kind of goes good with the bending wheels as well because they're white and the livery I have on it. And you can also go and put a red as well. It kind of makes it look a bit more like, I don't know, like brighter, I would say. But yeah, you can go and put that in. And also if you want to go and put the chrome effects, go and put the chrome first and then put the crew second, and you get this dope modded crew color right there, kind of like a 3D paint. All right, but for the video I'm gonna keep it normal because I'm showing you how to get the crew colors and all that. So yeah, and this is how it looks like right here out in the environment. So it looks really good in my opinion. I recommend you to go ahead and get this one in my opinion because I actually like this one. Probably I would rank this one probably first place honestly in today's video. So yeah, this is it right here, and now let's go ahead and check out the next modded crew color on today's list. Now the next modded crew color on today's list is going to be the Aqua modded crew color, and if you want to go ahead and get it, all you gotta do is copy the hex code you see up on the screen, which is 03EAFF. So go and copy that into your crew, and that's how you get it. And this is the modded crew color right here. Right now this one actually really looks good with the, if you have like a white and like if you have like a white theme on your car, go ahead and put this crew color. It looks 100 times more better. And you can also go and put an ice white, which makes it stand out a whole lot more. So yeah, so this is it right here. Now if you do want to make it look 100 times more better, you can add a chrome effects by placing the chrome and then putting the crew second. So this is it right here. This is the effect you get. All right, and this is like the regular. Okay, now for this one I recommend to go with a chrome effect with it. Okay, that's just my opinion. If you don't like the chrome effect, you don't have to put it on, but I really do like it with this one. And I'm also going to go and put the ice white pearlescent on the chrome effects, which makes it look like kind of like a 3D paint. And this is how it looks like right here out in the sunlight. All right, so this is it right here. Now out of this whole list, out of these like top 5, I would probably rank this one second place honestly. All right, first place I would put the purple one with the chrome effects on it, and then second is gonna be this one right here. So, and also go and comment down below which is your favorite color on today's list. So go and comment it down, I'll be replying back to you guys. And now let's go ahead and check out the next modded crew color on today's list. Now the next modded crew color on today's list is going to be the chrome yellow. Now the chrome yellow in my opinion actually looks really nice. I would probably rank it probably second or third place out of this whole entire list. All right, Now this is it right here with the chrome effect added to it, but I'm going to show you guys how it looks like regularly. So this is it, how it looks like regularly, okay? So this is it right here. Now this one actually looks nice in my opinion. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, I was gonna say it kind of reminds me of like Bumblebee from like the movies, like the Transformer movies, but it really doesn't. It's like a bit more darker than Bumblebee from Transformers. But yeah, this is it right here. So, and also if you do want to make it a bit more better, you can add in erase yellow as a pearlescent. That's just my opinion. You don't have to put the erase yellow, but if you do want the erase yellow, this is how it looks like right here. Let me see if I can find it. It should be right here. Yeah, right there. Erase yellow is right here. Okay, so this is how it looks like right here with the erase yellow. It kind of looks a bit more brighter, but yeah, as I said, this is all your preference. You don't have to add the erase yellow, and if you want to add the chrome effect, put the chrome first and then put the crew second, and then you get it just like this right here. But for this one, I'm gonna just keep it regularly, no chrome effect to it. But yeah, if you do want to add in the chrome, all you gotta do is put the chrome first and then put the crew second, and then you get that like kind of like 3D paint effect to it. But yeah, so this is it right here out in the environment. Right now, sadly, it's nighttime, so you can't see the colors fully. So here's the model crew color right here, right under the lamppost. This is the only light I could find around like Los Santos Custom, so this is the only place I could get it. But yeah, this is how it looks like right here under some light, I would say. But yeah, let's go and check out the next model crew color on today's list. Now the next model crew color on today's list, and the final model crew color on today's list, is going to be the vivid green. Now this one's actually nice. I would probably rank it probably 4th place out of this top 5, or probably top 3 in my opinion, but this is it right here. So as you can see, this thing looks really nice with that pearlescent. So yeah, let me go and show you. The pearlescent that I use is going to be this one right here called Race Yellow, same one I used on the other model crew color. But yeah, but as I said, this is all your opinion. You don't have to pick the same pearlescent I do. You can pick whatever pearlescent you like, but for me, in my opinion, the Race Yellow looks really good with this green model color. I don't know what what's up with it, but it just looks nice, right? And if you do want to add a chrome effect, put the chrome first and then the green second, the crew second, and then you get that 3D paint job type color right there. But yeah, so this is the model crew color here out in the environment. Now sadly, at the time of recording this video, it was raining, so I couldn't get it out in the sunlight, but trust me, this model crew color here out in the sunlight looks super good in my opinion. I would probably rank this one probably 3rd place, a good 3rd place. All right, so I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did like any one of these model crew colors or ended up getting any of these model crew colors, make sure you guys go ahead and comment down which one you like the most, and I'll be reading your comments. So go and drop one down below if you haven't already. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I do post daily GTA 5 content and live streams on the weekends, so if you guys do want to go ahead and join up, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below with notifications on, so when I do go live, you don't miss out. And TiimeDesign sign out. Peace. Now, if you didn't make it all the way to the end of the video, I really appreciate your support making it all the way down here to the end of the video. So I really appreciate it. If you are seeing this, make sure you go ahead in the comment section and comment Drip Gang down below. I'll be replying back to you, since it's going to show me that you did make it all the way to the end, because only people that made it to the end of the video are going to know about this. So make sure you guys go ahead and comment down below. And yeah, TiimeDesign signing out. Peace.